In this 2-day workshop, I'll be focusing on building and expanding upon a central lesson that Dr. Feldenkrais developed called Your Pelvic Clock, which he considered to be one of his singular, most important movement lessons that he developed. Over the course of the 2 days, we will be doing movement lessons, and these lessons will be extremely beneficial for everyone. They will improve your breathing, the organization of your lower back, your hip joints, because the largest and most powerful muscles of your body are all attached to your pelvis. When we improve the organization of your pelvis, we're improving the organization of every movement that we make. And you'll see that at the end of the workshop, you will feel a lightness that you've never felt before. So I hope I'll see you there. Cheers.